Variable declining balance function returns the depreciation of an asset for any periods you specify, including partial periods, using the double declining balance method or some other method you specify. You can specify any method to calculate depreciation of an asset. This function has 7 arguments. In cost box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In salvage box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In a life box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In start period box, type 0. Press tab key. In end period box, select this cell reference, scroll down. Formula result shows $100,000. This function returns the result of double declining balance function by assuming 2 in factor box. Type 0.5 in this box. Formula result shows $40,000. This function returns the result of straight line depreciation function. If you open SLN function sheet, you will see the depreciation of first year will be $40,000. Press tab key. No switch argument shows switch to straight line depreciation when depreciation is greater than the declining balance. It means Excel has automatically switched to straight line depreciation method. Because this value $40,000 is greater than the declining balance value. When the depreciation value is greater than the declining balance value, Excel automatically switch to straight line depreciation method. In default, false is entered. I do not want to switch. Type true. Formula result shows declining balance value. Click OK. Active VDB function sheet. The depreciation value for the first year is $25,000. Now paste this formula in these 3 cells. First, make the absolute position of cell references. Click in formula bar. Press F4 key. Press F4 key. Press F4 key. Press enter key. Again active this cell. Press mouse and drag to right. Active cell reference D10. Click in formula bar. In start period argument, type 1. Press enter key. This is the depreciation value of year 2. Active cell reference E10. Click in formula bar. In start period argument, type 2. Press enter key. This is the depreciation value of year 3. Active cell reference F10. In start period argument, type 3. In end period argument, select cell reference M6. Press enter key. Function sum the depreciation values from year 4 to year 10 and returns $129,319. Active VDB function sheet. Active this cell. Enter equal sign. Type sum function. Open bracket. Select the depreciation values from year 4 to year 10. Close bracket. Press enter key. The sum of this value is equal to the sum of this value. So by using VDB function, you can specify your own method and calculate the depreciation of an asset.